kill anybody that say or do something that I don't like.
I can't hear you. Please speak up.
I said I will kill anybody that says something.
So, I welcome all of you today to another gist. Today, better gist day. We want to talk, make we understand ourselves. My mommies, my daddies, my sisters, my brothers, I love all of you people. I welcome all of you people. You people do well. When I do well for my body, I happy from my heart. So now do well. Before I start, make una not free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe to my channel, you touch that button. That button, you know why would they touch and we touch and so that if another video come, you go see them immediately. You don't need to find them. Yes, we don't come back. We want to talk about this Hasge and Madam. Because what did they happen these days? You get as a big. Why be say Hasge? You want to try to remove Madam for life. You want to try to wipe Madam away. Why? Now I say make I use this medium, put some certain thing, make I chip and in. Madam, that Hasge when you take, where you take them, you know whether you get the people when you offend, when a business and then send that girl to your house, you know whether that girl, as you take and so, now they work when they do, because you go claim say it be has help or has made, you go they claim say now that one they do, you know whether now to go remove the life of the person when they say may go help, they go carry everything when they there. You know whether now in work now they now in profession be that you find out. Madam, you won't be madam to that girl. How you with that housemaid or house girl? How on a day for house? How on they live? Now they live where? For that house, you and that housemaid. They do that housemaid where at times. Maybe you go down offend somebody. And you know get as you want to remove you. Then you go cook them in a way. When you go walk, you go come enter in trap. You go pull the girl for your house. So they go to find how they want to remove you. They go to do it small. Supposed to thank God for waiting how God to save your life. Because suppose it happen now, don't finish. No see now that one, that's why I say whether you find out where. Because what you they ask the girl, that will not be question, that will not make anything. To ask the girl, what you carry for hand, what you want to can do, you want to do that, you want to do that. And that girl self, if you ask and say, now when you come my house, you sure say not to come look me or come take care of my house, home, now you come for, or that one is your own permanent job to come, remove people for life. You understand what I mean? Because this is our people, this thing now, get as it be these days. You get when you go talk, they go say you no good. That's what they call like, know when you don't wipe person away. As you won't wipe you away, ask and say, this thing when you do, you sure say that maybe the first person, maybe you don't they do them before, you know, ask them that one before, ask them. So that the girl go explain herself well, and you give her room to talk. Because if you watch the girl well now, I say this kind of thing, if you see the video, the thing be say the girl still they fear. And not say the girl do good though. What did the girl do? You know good. You know good at all. You know see him. Another one, how they tell people, how will that girl they live for the house? Because if you really say you take that girl like your friends, like your sister, like your relation, like your children, how you not go feel locked up? I hear where they ask and say, how you take get the key, you lock your door. That's when they take care of your life. They cook food, give you. They give you water, drink. And you say they still they lock door. You know, since that not gonna make sense. Yeah? And if not, say God save you now. As you lock door now, and you know for your mind say you don't lock door. And the girl now know say, you go find the key. And you don't find the key, you open your door. And before you know it, you don't put it in. Maybe you go they put a small before. You know, say you see some people, you go go small before you know the thing go just happen. You don't know when they start. We thank God for your life. But we don't know that you get on they do and small. But my question be say, as the supposing, if not be say God there your side, then he put the thing now. And the thing can't get us and he remove you, wipe you away from this life now. I say wipe you away. And she go they cry and everybody go they cry. They don't know as it happen. Because if they ask her, they'll say, you don't know where your kid is. You use your mouth to say, they lock your door. As if you say they lock your door, you know, say the guys, you see the house girl now, our housemate, you don't free from there because you know open your door for them, and you know they enter your room. You don't go claim say they enter your room if something when they plan, you don't work. You know, see, me and they beg people. If you carry any person, go your house. Try make you treat them as you treat your children. Try make you treat that girl or that boy as you treat your brother, as you treat your relation. Because if you do person well, it dey hard. Because when they do well, you go plan bad thing for you. It dey hard. One person when you do good, go do you bad. It do, but you know too many. I see they tell you say the girl self, you get your own bad parts. You self get your own. Because you self search yourself well. Whether you they treat this girl well. Because some parents, they won't come as they return from work. They go see them, they play for parlor. They go drive the housemate. They go do bed the way for the children to sleep. They go tell the girl or the boy, go sleep for mat or go sleep for ground. You go use better place, give your children food. You go tell the girl, go do, just give them food as you like. This person be not fall from heaven now. That's why sister at times, the girl where you go maltreat this person rich, you yourself won't do what you know one's supposed to do. That's why they are saying, you watch yourself. What you yourself do when it result to the extent say this girl, you won't remove you for life. And God can save you. Because some of gas, when I get drivers, they will say they won't go somewhere. Maybe they won't go visit people, or they won't go somewhere like amusement park or all those kinds of, or maybe they won't go like, you know what, they won't go drink, something like that with friends. They'll reach there, then go there, they gist, they drink, they eat. They'll forget, say, person will carry them come there. They don't go remember that person. You know, good. At least treat this person because you are a guy, you are madam. You know, tell me, say, if you go somewhere, you go leave your children, tell them, push them, go there, you go they drink, go they eat, you go they laugh. No. Carry that driver. Take them the same table, put them, let people see your difference so that they go learn from you. If tomorrow you get driver, madam or guy, when they go somewhere with friends and they see the way you treat that driver, then say, go, they say, the way we go yesterday, I like the way this man treats in driver. Then say, go, they do one. And so will they copy. From there, go, they copy good things. I'm not sure the person when you do good tomorrow, go plan bad for you. If you see whether they plan bad for you, you go tell, say, no, I no agree for my, maybe outsider. Yes, like that girl, for example, maybe the sender from outside, maybe how we take come, get a seat, for example, I just talk my mind. But if you treat this girl well, you don't go know when you go tell you, say, madam, see what they ground. Oh. I tell you, I know what I talk. I tell you the truth. You don't go know when you go tell you, say, see what plan, or what make me come, or see as I come here. The girl go tell you. So that is good when they try.
What will you kill them with? What will you kill them with? Would you give her her tool? Continue. What will you kill them with? Eh? What are you holding in your hand? What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. What are you holding in your hand? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. What did you use it for? You put it where? Which water? Which of my water? Where is downstairs? Where was it downstairs? So how did you get the one upstairs? Because my room is locked. How did you get the water inside my room? I can't hear you. I cannot hear what you are saying. Which key? When you found the key of my room, what did you do? You want me to help you talk? Was I there when you did it? So it's you that can tell us what happened. So when you opened my door and entered inside my room, what did you now do? When you found my key, where I hid my key, you opened my door, you entered inside my room. Then what did you do? I can't hear you. Put it where? What water? Better speak up. The water for what? The water I'll drink. I can't hear you. So you took sniper, look for where I used to keep my key, opened my room door, entered inside, opened the water I used to drink, and poured sniper inside my drinking water. Is that true? Eh?
Yes.
I dey beg mothers, instead of to carry housemaid, just this period you get children, take care of the children. Take care of them small. Keep housemaid with your children. You come out in the morning around 6, you come back around 9 p.m. That's you go out around 6 a.m. You come back around 9 p.m. It no make sense. And the house girl again, when you keep the children with, you go beat them, you go do them anyhow, and you go still keep your children with them. And they expect good result in her life. So instead, this period when they get children, take care of them well. Try to do something. There are many jobs now without going out. There are many things you need to do inside the house, and you are doing it well. Put comment down for my comment box. I will see it. I will reply you. Wanna try. Wanna cool down. Take care of your children for now, because these children, they are precious to us. Our life is precious to us. Make someone not just come remove person life for nothing. You know, see, person good, make our good no kill us now. That's why for now, take care. And another one, if you really want to take housemate or house girl, what you need to do, take this person, make it come your house, clean your house, do what you need to do, then the person will go. That one another option. If you know if you do without housemate, or you cool down for meantime, because what they cost an alone throat. The one when you get, you use them, make use of what you have for now. When your children get stage where they go reach, you start. And again, if you really say you're not fit, before you take any person has girl, pray to God. Make God direct you. God will never. They say, you know, if you open your eye, they see when you're picking, they enter fire. That's how God be. God not go let you take who not go favor you, and you still go try favor the person. I beg from my heart now. I beg, and that one now I get to talk, so that all these bad things go they come. We will they treat our house help well. We will remember for our mind say this house help na person born am as we born our children. We will see they treat them well, even in the house. If person enter your house, let them know difference between your house help or your housemate with your children. Let person they argue say I be not picking, I be not been picking. It good like that. And my mind I talk. I love all of you people. I love all of you now from my heart. Wanna not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share my video, so that everybody go reason with me now. If you wanna get anything, comment, put that for my boss. God bless everybody.